Yes, ma'am.
All of you are ready with your notebooks and book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you please open your cameras. Let's begin the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Mehul, Pratishtha, Devansh Chaudhary, Divyang.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. We were doing the question answers of chapter 19, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have completed till question number 2, long answer type. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratishtha, read out the third question.
Ma'am, the third question is, ma'am, it is how, ma'am, answer in detail one.
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
answer in detail.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. So the third question is, how do water bodies get polluted? But ma'am, I think that we have done this one. So
Have we done this?
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. We have marked the answer. No, ma'am. I think we don't have
ma'am,
marked the
we
answer.
have done considering three questions, 4.6, and now we have to start with question number 10.
Okay, we have done till
Ma'am,
fourth
today
also.
we will do question 4.
Pratyusha, till where have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Let me see. I'm opening the chapter. Ma'am, I have done till question number 3. How do water bodies get polluted?
Yes, so we have to start from question number 4. Suggest 5 ways in which we can prevent and control pollution. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Suggest 5 ways in which we can control water pollution. So children, can you suggest any ways? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we should always throw the garbage in the dustbin.
Okay, we should not throw garbage near or in the water bodies. Then next.
And ma'am, we should not throw the factories waste material into the water.
Yes, very nice. And what else?
And ma'am, we should not wash our animals near to the river.
Yes, very good. Pratishtha, have you done this answer?
No, ma'am, we have not done this.
Okay. And then the use of fertilizers and pesticides should also be controlled because it seeps
No,
through the soil into the water. And is
Yes,
there any
ma'am.
other way?
Ma'am,
Sewage.
we are doing
Yes.
answer third.
We are
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
this.
Sewage water from homes.
Yes. That should also be treated. Sewage must be treated before it is released into the water bodies.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. So I'm writing this answer in the chat box. Everybody write from there.
But ma'am, we have done the answer yesterday.
This answer we have done yesterday.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have done the answer third.
No class.
Beta, but we are doing question number 4 right now.
Ma'am, we did it.
We didn't do it.
Ma'am.
Begin the answer from 5 ways in which water bodies can be saved from getting polluted are number one,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, I am doing the writing of chapter 20.
okay.
Ma'am, my camera is switched off automatically because I am opening the chat box.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, there are 5 ways or 4?
5. How many ways are they asking for? In the question, 5 ways.
Ma'am, 5.
Yes. Okay. The complete answer is in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am on 4th point. Ma'am, in place of pesticides, can we write chemicals?
Yes.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done answer 4.
All of you have done?
Ma'am,
Swarnim, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Swarnim, are you writing the answer?
No, ma'am, because my previous is not complete.
So have you taken the screenshot of this answer? You are muted, Swarnim. What you are speaking, I can't understand.
ma'am, please switch on your video.
Okay. Swarnim, take a screenshot of this answer.
Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot.
All right. All
Ma'am,
of
I
you
have
have done
written.
this?
Ma'am, I have written question 5 also.
Good. Everyone, after writing this answer, write down question number 5 and let me know.
Ma'am, ready. Ma'am, done answer number 4 and ready with question number 5.
Everyone has written question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written question number 5?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
today is our maths period, so
Ma'am, writing question
uh,
number 5.
ma'am, our maths teacher has said to wear red and white clothes. Like
Red and
Santa
white
Claus.
clothes.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
for Christmas.
I'm to celebrate
Yes,
Christmas.
ma'am.
Oh, very nice.
Ma'am, I'm wearing white only.
Yes, and
Ma'am,
Summer
I'm
is wearing
wearing
red.
ma'am red and white.
Where is white, Summer?
Ma'am, I am wearing red t-shirt.
Ma'am,
Tomorrow
it
is
is I am
Christmas.
wearing under.
Okay. Your trousers are white?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Good. Very nice.
ma'am, it's like ma'am, it's my school pant.
Okay. Okay, so the next question is, what is the impact of noise on human beings and animals? Tell me. Yes, Summer, tell.
The impact of noise on humans and animals, on human beings and animals, is that it causes irritation, sleep disturbance, and a loss of hearing. Loud noise such as bursting crackers scares animals and birds.
Yes, very nice. Very good. Everybody has written question number 5. Ready for answer 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer which I have told, can I write?
Better you can write, but I will add on a few more things in that answer.
Okay,
Answer
ma'am.
number 5. The impact of noise on humans and animals is quite
Ma'am, I have written
bad.
the impact of noise. Ma'am, I
Is
have
qu-
only written the impact of noise
okay.
till
It
now.
Is quite bad. Ma'am, can we write in paragraph?
yes.
It causes irritation, disturbance, and loss of
Mute yourself, Summer.
Ma'am, what we have written after it also leads to stress.
Anxiety, headache, and blood pressure. High blood pressure.
Ma'am, what
Summer.
does
Yes.
this mean?
Beta, anxiety is also a kind of illness or disease.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are typing answer in chat box.
Yes, beta, I have sent the answer in the chat box already.
Ma'am, it is full answer.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you type the answer again because I have disconnected and I
Okay.
can't join because there is coming some report problem.
All right, beta, I'll send it again.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Now see, got the answer, Imad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in SST period, my networks are full, but ma'am, in other periods, my networks are not full.
Whose network? Your network.
Yes, ma'am, in SST period, they are full.
Why so?
Ma'am, I don't know this reason. Ma'am, mostly I love SST period only.
Really? That's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice.
Ma'am, because in this period, I usually get answers. from the chapter itself.
And what about science, English, Hindi?
Ma'am, in English, I don't get answers.
Why?
Ma'am, Palak ma'am
Ma'am,
used
in
to-
English there is. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Palak ma'am used to write
share
answer
the
already.
screen.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she have already.
Okay,
Yes,
she
ma'am,
prepares
she
the answer.
already write in MS Word. Ma'am,
Okay.
Word pointy.
And then she shares the screen with you all,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have to write it then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, one more thing in SST, we don't have to write word meanings. Only we have to write question answers and do exercise in book.
Yes.
But ma'am, in English and Hindi, we have to write.
Ma'am, I know why we always do long answers after the answer in brief. Ma'am, because when we will do answer in brief, there are very small answers. And ma'am, in answer these question in detail, there are long answers that help us to improve our writing speed.
Yes. And also, you should have
To
the
write
habit
in good handwriting.
good handwriting. Also, the habit of writing should not go away in this lockdown.
Ma'am, that's why I have done half of the chapter. Ma'am, the handwriting of chapter 20.
Oh, very nice. Very good. Now, everyone has done this answer.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a register at my home in which, ma'am, I write one page Hindi writing full page and ma'am one full page of English writing.
Very nice. Very good.
And that I can write very fastly.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Anush-
English I can also write.
Good, good, good. Now, listen, children. After this work, after doing this, you have to do the dictation words, the difficult words of this chapter. We haven't done them now.
Yes, ma'am, we didn't done. Yes, ma'am.
We haven't done. Okay. Now let me again discuss that project work with you all. Have you started working on it?
Ma'am, I am out of session, so I can.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
started.
what to?
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am,
not
I am
able
out
to
of
listen.
I cannot do.
Okay, listen, everyone listen. Those who were not present yesterday, children, you are supposed to make a project, a presentation kind of a thing on the state of Punjab. Okay? What you have to do is you have to collect, nobody will speak till I stop speaking. You have to collect information on a few topics. I'm going to tell you a few topics. From those topics, you're going to choose one topic as your topic on which you will be doing your presentation. Those who have not written these topics, please write them down. The first topic is places and monuments of Punjab. Places and monuments of Punjab. Second topic is food and language. Food and language. Third topic is culture of Punjab, the rich culture of Punjab. Are you writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next topic is costumes.
Ma'am, I have already made in the presentation of culture of Punjab and I have shared on your personal number also.
Okay, beta, I'll check. Then after costumes, we have festivals. celebrated in Punjab. And last is the traditional things and religions followed in Punjab. Festivals and traditional things and religions. Now for festivals, I have two students already. They got themselves enrolled in the festival part, Pratyusha and Vivek, right?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I am out of session. The festival one
I am.
station.
You are out of station.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you right now you are out of station, Pratyusha.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will not be able to do it.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I cannot.
Why you cannot? You don't need any material for that, Pratyusha. All you need is your
Okay.
mobile phone and just internet connection. Because this presentation is
Okay.
not supposed to be a 3D presentation. You don't have to make any project. It is not to be done in any chart paper. All you need is your phone and your internet.
Ma'am, and here there is some network issues only.
No, Pratyusha. Your network is working so smooth, so fine.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, sometimes it works and ma'am, sometimes
But
it won't
Pratyusha,
work.
you will be when you are attending your Zoom class so smoothly without any problem. This
No,
presentation
ma'am,
does
I
not
was
require much
disconnected
data.
again and again.
Beta, these kind of presentations do not require much data.
Okay, ma'am.
You only have to collect screenshots. You only have to make a video of them. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to take in languages one.
Om, your name is in language. Okay. So food and language. You have, okay, no. Already two students are there, Om. So you please take part, prepare yourself for either costumes or culture or places and
Okay,
monuments also. You can also collect
okay, ma'am,
pictures
I
of
will
various
take
places.
in. Ma'am, I will take in costume.
All right.
Ma'am, my name is in tradition and culture. Oh, tradition and region.
Yes, I know. Om, you will take in
Bye bye.
costumes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what else? Swarnim,
Bye.
what will you take part in?
Ma'am, beauty culture.
Yes?
Ma'am, rich culture of Punjab.
All right. Rich culture of Punjab. Pratyusha, see, I have shared a few pictures with you. The famous festivals of Punjab.
Ma'am, I will.
Swarnim will do rich culture of Punjab. Okay, Swarnim is already there. Now, who has not given his name? Divyanshu Dev, you have not given your name. Anjali Saxena has given. And Mohammad Imad, you have not given your name, beta. Devansh Chaudhary, you have not given. Yes?
Ma'am, I have in places and monuments.
Okay, Devansh Chaudhary. Yes, Devanshu, you say.
Ma'am, I am also there.
You are also in places and monuments?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Divyanshu.
Ma'am, what is the group?
You don't have to worry about the group, beta. You only have to make your individual presentation and send it to me. And how you're going to do it? See, if you want your class to win or your group to win, you are going to first of all introduce yourself. Okay? I am Adrika Johari from class 4th B. And don't say I have chosen the topic. No, I will tell you about the culture of Punjab. I will tell you about the food and languages of Punjab, like that. Don't say I have chosen. Then you can also speak these lines, the introductory lines in Punjabi language. Did I share with you the video of Sikkim? A boy that had
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you saw na how he spoke in Sikkim language, how he gave his introduction. In fact, he presented the whole video in Sikkim language, but you don't have to do that. You can only give your introduction. And then if you are speaking on the festivals or anything, you can also give background music. The background Punjabi beats will also add on to that video. Okay, and when you are collecting pictures, please serve properly. You have to find many pictures from the internet. Take screenshots, crop those screenshots. Okay, remove all the unwanted things from all the four sides and then put them in your presentation. Is that fine?
Ma'am, how
Ma'am,
many slides we can make?
Anjali, what are you saying?
ma'am, how many pictures we can find from internet?
Beta, depends on your topic, and also your video should not be more than 1.5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
And it should not be a silent presentation that just pictures are going on. You have to tell what those pictures are. If suppose you are showing the costumes of Punjab, then you have to tell this is a Pathani suit. This is worn by the men of Punjab, and this is Pathani salwar kameez. This is worn by the women of Punjab. You can also tell their accessories, like men wear turbans and this thing. The women of Punjab mostly will be seen in parandis, like that. And when you talk about these things, your pictures, your slide, your video should go on. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
And
and I want to
okay, wait,
ask
beta,
to
wait,
that how
wait,
many
wait.
slides we
Ma'am,
have to
you said
make.
you made the groups also.
Beta, what do you have to do with the group? You have to only make your presentation. Merging those things in one video is my job. I will see who all will fall under in one group. Okay? Anjali, and also when you're talking about the costumes, it is not over. Just talking about kurta pajama and salwar kameez. There is much more. Like in villages, what do people wear? Then the working places, the corporate world, what do people wear? Also lungis, dhotis, and everything. Usually on festivals, what they wear. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now say, now Om, what were you saying?
Ma'am, how many slides we can make?
How many?
Slides. Ma'am, and presentation.
Beta, that is what I'm telling na. Your presentation should not exceed more than 1.5 minutes. You can see how
Okay,
many
ma'am.
can be added, and those slides should not move very fast. Okay? The
Okay,
viewer,
ma'am.
the viewer must be able to see what all you have included in a particular picture. Fine?
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
any other question by anyone? No question. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Everyone has done this answer? Or are you still writing, children? Are you still writing this answer? I think the whole class has slept. Everybody is sleeping except for Swarnim.
No, ma'am, I have done with
No,
my
ma'am.
answer.
Then why are you people not answering? What about rest of the children? Akshat, Ridyansh, Pratyush,
Ma'am,
Divyanshu.
done.
Done? Everyone done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are still left with the last 3 minutes. So just open your copies and start writing dictation words.
Okay, ma'am.
Put the heading
Okay, ma'am.
dictation. Everybody open your camera. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm writing the answer for.
You are still writing answer 5.
No, ma'am, I'm writing the last second line.
Okay. The first word is Anjali, you can write the word later. Okay. I'm not going to speak many words right now because there is no time left. The first word is contamination. Contamination.
Ma'am, contamination.
Contamination. Yes, contamination.
Ma'am, written.
Written.
Ma'am,
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The second word is sources. Second word is sources.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
First word contamination, second word sources. The third word is pollutants. Pollutants. So children, only 3 words for today. I'm ending the class here. Now tomorrow no, we have one more period today. In the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
period,
Last period.
yes, we are going to continue this work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye beta. Bye.